is a dementia action plan. It's your own plan for changing the lifestyle choices that are putting you at risk for dementia. This comprehensive plan has 5 stages. This is not a sequence. You will probably move up and down through the stages as you progress away from dementia. Stage 1. Are you ready? Deciding that you are ready to reduce your risk of dementia is the first bedrock stage of any dementia plan. Knowing you are ready means you have the necessary willpower to start. Stage 2. Your emotional outlook. At every level, your emotional outlook is the load-bearing wall of your dementia action plan structure. Anger and resentment are a deadly burden on your body, mind, and spirit. When you forgive both yourself and others, you make room for love in your life. This love and kindness will fortify all your efforts on this journey away from dementia. Stage 3. Skillpower. Learn, learn, learn. First, you'll need to know your enemy. The book, Dementia Action Plan, will inform you about dementia, more particularly Alzheimer's dementia, as well as risk factors, modifiable lifestyle changes, and ways to help your body's organ systems. You'll also need to do some self-analysis. What goals will you have? What immediate and long-term rewards will motivate you? Regarding your current habits, what are your triggers and rewards? What critical needs do your bad habits meet? How can you become more mindful? Regarding your environmental structure, how can you make bad habits difficult and good habits easy? What social connections will hinder your progress? Which will support you? Would someone be your coach? The more you know and understand, the better your chance of success. So take time to learn Willpower plus Skillpower. Stage 4. Modifiable lifestyle changes. There is no cure for Alzheimer's yet, but research has identified risk factors for the disease. From these, we have identified 7 modifiable lifestyle choices you can make that will decrease your personal risk. They include improving your sleep, moving more or exercise, eating healthy food, decreasing stress, detoxifying your air, water, and environment, improving your social connections, and increasing your sensory and mental stimulation. Stage 5. System health. At this stage, you'll optimize organ and system function to improve your health and brain function. As you progress in your plan, your hormones will become more balanced. Your cells' mitochondria will provide more energy. Your immune system will become more effective. Your gut will function better. Your bones and muscles will become stronger. Your heart will become more powerful. Your body will become better able to remove toxins. This framework provides a comprehensive approach to your journey away from dementia. The best time to start is today, so you can enjoy your new brain and your new you.